Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Saturday early. This is another part 2 of the TECKIN smart products they have to offer you guys. All you gotta do is click on the link down below, check them out, see what other goodies they have to offer. But this is the Smart Power Strip SS30. Alright, set timers, voice control, 8 outlets. Okay, USB and the power, Wi-Fi connection, app control, battery protection. Nice box. And let's see what the goodies on the back. Oops, backwards. Alright, what do we have here? Model SS30. Working temp 10 and 70 degrees Celsius. Length of power cord is 5 feet. Supports App Store, iOS, Android, Google Play, Alexa, and all that good stuff. Google Assistant. So a lot of cool features on this one. Definitely time to replace my other power strip, so I'm going to use this one for now on. So really cool. So thank you guys at TECKIN. Not the video game, but it's like TECKIN. I think it's TECKIN. I'll just call it TECKIN. Hopefully it's the right way to pronounce it. But you can always check them out with the link down below. And here we go. Drop you guys. There we go. Alright. We are rocking. Hopefully this is an easy one to set up. Alright, here we go. We're going to see what's inside, how it looks, and then, like I said, hopefully it's easy to set up. I got my spare phone with me to run the app. I think it's the Smart Life app. Here's the manual. Let me take a little browse through, make sure it's yep, Smart Life. So I already downloaded it from the lights, but this is it. It's a nice size outlet, lightweight. Here's the cord. Bada boom. Awesome stuff. Here's that. Got the covers, so that's a good thing. Pull those out. Twist these. Twist ties. A couple times. So, definitely, hopefully, you guys are having a good weekend so far. I was supposed to be getting some snow again out here in Michigan, so not looking forward to that. Definitely not a winter person. But this will be a nice graduation gift for someone going to college, for their dorms, your home office, your bedroom, anywhere you have your electronic technology. Alright. I don't know what I just unplugged, but here we go. Okie dokie, red light is on. There's the Wi-Fi mode. So we'll just go through your iOS or Google. Download Smart Life. They got the QR scanners. In case you don't know how to search it, just QR it. And there's the setup for my lights and others. Just gotta hit add. Electrical outlet. Will be this one, the top, tippity top. Okay, we just gotta make sure it is blinking. Something's blinking. Okay, turn it on. Whoa. They all light up. So I guess that's on. Give it a second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There it goes. It's blinking. Confirm. Make sure your password's correct on your Wi-Fi. Confirm. And it's going to go through this step. And once it connects, it'll be 100% and then goes through the options. So hopefully this is easier one to set up. But the lights were cool once I got it going. But definitely some good stuff out here for the tech area. So hopefully it picks it up right away. But it is blinking right there. That means it's open. And I got my Wi-Fi good. Come on, hopefully we get a one shot deal with this. But you can also do, I think, Bluetooth search. So either or, but make sure it's a 2.4 hertz. I do believe it is recommended. Almost there, 47. Come on. But you can control, say you got your TV on this one, this socket. You could call it TV, rename it, and then you could, tell Alexa, shut it off, turn it on, and your Google Assistant. And then your lights or whatever, DVD, Blu-ray, stereo equipment, gaming, PS4, Xbox One you can have hooked up to this. Got the USB, got 4 of those, so that's really good to have extra. So you might want to put it somewhere near your entertainment center, just so you could charge your phones, your cameras. Like I said, lightweight, easy to tag along with. Oh, we're almost there. And it did stop, so hopefully it did pick up first time. Shoot. Alright, hold on. Alrighty, so basically, just hold the button down for 5 seconds in case you didn't have a problem with the Wi-Fi connection. Doesn't go right the first time, like I just had a little issue. But pulls up, you can label it Smart Power Strip. We'll just do power. That's for make it shorter for your Alexa and Google Power. There we go. That one and completed. So here it is. USB switch 1. You have them off, on, off, on. Switch 3, on. Switch 2. Boom. It's like magic. Or you can go all off, all on. Bada boom. Bada bing. And anything else, I think. You could do timers. So maybe you could shorten your kids' TV time. You could just have it. Oh, come on. There we go. Add schedule to it. Have it so many hours you could be playing, and it shuts off automatically on them, which would be kind of mean to do, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. So there's the power, I called it, and that's my pretty set up for Smart Life. So thank you guys at TECKIN for sending me this, and you guys can check them out with other goodies they have to offer and get this fast and free shipping. Now I think they have 1-day shipping on Amazon. I'm not sure if it's on all products, but check that out also. But really cool power strip, always good to have extra, so grab yourself one too. And like I said, great gifts, stocking stuffers, and a low cost for this holiday season coming up. So you got a few months till that happens. So be safe, have a good one. See you guys later. See ya.